Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Financial Markets tile. In the next window, you will see a preview where you can see changes to your feed. In the left corner of the preview, click to toggle the content views. Available content views are markets, metals, currency, agriculture, markets, TSX, and cryptocurrency. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to further customize your feed. Uncheck content views you wish to not have shown in your feed. Otherwise, all checked content views will appear. Content views are markets, metals, currency, agriculture, markets, TSX, and cryptocurrency. Choose a style from the preset style buttons, or click the Custom Style button for further customization. Available customizations are preset fonts, background type, colors for text, name text, up arrow, down arrow, intro text, background, name background, and intro background. Optionally, toggle on or off animation, choose an intro style, background, and message. Select from the drop-down the language you wish to have your feed displayed in, and set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, media RSS, direct URL, and JSON data. Click the Create Feed button to create your feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.